Hi there, traders. This is Brad Gilbert with today's trading action. All right, now, not a lot going on, right? And sometimes that is the best time to be trading. Now, we've had a set up today where we had the Aussie monthly indicator come out. Now, it came out as expected, but that wasn't the whole trade, right? There's a whole structure around this, and you can check that out in the live trading sessions in the archive there because the setup, right? We had Aussie was set up here in a short squeeze. Now, what that means is it's going down short term, long term, and long term momentum is down. But at the moment, the market was just moving against that trend, right? It's just momentum. So when momentum turns around, you get a nice, easy trade to the downside. The numbers, because they came out as expected, fits in with what's going on. If anything, the squeeze was probably generated with the potential for a stronger CPI number, right? Market's fully short, squeezes higher, we get the outcome that we need, and then it starts drifting off with Aussie yen. Well, the Aussie to me looks like the best sort of trading opportunity. Now, just going forward here, well, actually, just have a look at the trade set up here on C Trader, the 63.48. Okay, I end up getting short. So it's been down to what, 30? Currently sitting at 36. So up a couple of grand, but now just give some of that cash back. I'm happy to let this trade run and play out, right? There's no need to sort of step in. Now, if we have a look at what's coming out, just have a look where the next sort of lead is. This is like one of these microcosms of the market just being normal, right? No geopolitical events, nothing going on, just trading opportunities that you can sort of rip your teeth into. So the markets aren't hectic by any stretch. Now, as we come into the North American session, there's not much out today, right? You've got some treasury auctions, some gasoline, crude stocks in the US, and that's pretty much it, right? So there's nothing really to rock the boat here. And to me, the dollar is starting to drift lower. You can see it very clearly. US consumer confidence was weaker. We're starting to see a nice move to the downside. Once again, a little squeeze to the top side in dollar yen, getting ready for a prime time sell opportunity in my view. Okay, so that's where we are, guys, at the moment. Will the Aussie continue lower? Well, I'm willing to give it a chance at the very least. I know it's a little bit, you think about the dollar and the dollar's going down. Well, how can the Aussie go down? Well, don't forget Aussie, Kiwi in particular getting hammered with the potential impact on the Chinese tariffs. China being their biggest export market. So it's got a tendency to go down. And with that data, these two things together lead to me to believe that the RBA might be in a position to start, cutting rates again, even though they said they weren't going to. The chance for a cut is now up to 18.4%. It's only a few percentage point higher than before the CPI. But I'll tell you what, we're only one bad number away from seeing more rate cuts. And that should lead to Aussie weakness or keep the tone to the downside. Anyway, not much going on. Lots of good technical trades, guys, right? So, get into the markets, get your charts up, draw some trend lines, kick Prime Time Pro into action, and hopefully you can start making a few bucks there as well. All right, guys, have a good one. All the best. Cheerio.